Hey you guys, so today I will be doing a easy boho crochet install. I'm going to be using hair from CurlyMe. I have all the hair right here and I'm so excited to do this. This to me has been like the longest length I've gotten to do like boho crochet braids. So let's get into it. I did receive 5 bundles of 24 inch, which I think is long. I think the longest I've ever gotten was 20. So we have 24 inches, so it's gonna go all the way down. And this is water wave. Water wave is always like the bomb texture to use to do like the boho vibe. I need to book me a vacation after this because I'm definitely gonna feel like I have to go on vacation. I am so excited to do my hair today. So we have our 5 bundles, and then I also received a little satin bag. Let me see what goodies they sent. Oh, nice. I got a bonnet, y'all, because my bonnet looks very messed up. So I got a new bonnet. This is so cute. We're definitely going to be using her to put our braids in. Nice silk satin looking material. I got a headband. Well, I got 2 headbands. I also received wig caps, even though we're not going to use wig caps. I got some clips. These are always good when you're doing your hair. I got a new edge brush. Let's use this today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And I am doing medium braids today. I already did the braids. I will pop up a card on the screen as to the layout of my braids. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you what I was able to achieve with 1 packet. We still have 4 because for each like braid that I did, I've been using 2 pieces, 1 at the root, 1 at the end to, you know, braid out my natural hair with. And then with some of them where I have 1 at the root, I take a piece and bring it down so it still looks like multiple pieces. But I've been using 2 pieces per braid. And this is what we have. We made it to 1, 2, 3 rows almost. And I think that's pretty good. The hair is nice and it's pretty easy to work with. I'm going to give you guys like some more crochet action once I get to like up here where you can actually see. That's why I wasn't recording, but I'm trying to get the back portion out of the way. But this is 1 packet and we have 4 packets left. And you know, if you want it to be more full, you could always add more pieces, but I'm starting out with 2 because already I'm seeing that it's full, and I think maybe at the top I'll probably add a 3rd piece. Guys, I'm 2 full bundles in. Do you call these bundles or packs? But I used 2 of the packets that I got, and I was able, I feel like I did half of my hair already. I did 4 rows. They're complete all the way across at the sides and at the other sides, and it's super full. Guys, we are done. Oh my gosh, this is the hair. I have 4 packs in. I used the full 4 packs. I did leave 1, so 4 packs is enough. I mean, you could, I guess, go on the hair if you want it more full, which I think this is a lot of hair. I don't want any more hair on my head, and because of the length, you want it to lay at the same time too. So I like how it lays. This is like medium size. I didn't do small. This is definitely medium. I did them bigger this time because I didn't want to stay here all day to have to do my hair. It is super full. Alrighty guys, this is my finished results. I love this hair. It is so long. Like, this is the longest boho crochet braid style that I've ever done. This 24 inches is giving let's go to the islands. I want to go on a vacation. I think every time I do a boho crochet style, I want to go on a vacation, but this is giving me vacation. The last vacation that I went on, I had like some boho knotless, but I went and I got that professionally done. Honey, I could have did these if I had known at the time about like this specific style. I could have gotten this done. You want that fluffy vibe, and I like how the top just lays so nicely. It's really giving me that vacation hair that I paid for that time. I can't believe I did this myself, guys. If you have a vacation or anything coming up, then you should definitely try some crochet braids. Guys, this hair has passed all the vibes check. Half up, half down, side part, flip over, bust down. And that's pretty much it, because when I have my braids, this is like my favorite little style to do. I love doing this. I feel so cute and pretty. And when my braids get, you know, like a little bit older, I like to pull everything up in a ponytail. But this hair is really it. I love it. Again, if y'all like this hair, check out the description box down below. Try it. Like, if you're going on a vacation, or if you just want to have your hair done, girl, there's no need to be spending so much money to get your hair braided. Like, try this, bet on yourself, and let me know, because this hair is so cute and I'm so in love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like this video, be sure to comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel so you never miss when I do upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one.